Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Conrad Sangma, Henigasngi Ulalit Bani Kynduh Yulat Kajila CH Vijaya Shankar. Ïakren bat Halor ke Jingjia, Ïakren Kabalami Rilum Garo, Kablaja, Dang Hakini Kindat Sngi Beladem. Hakini Jingjia Kynduh Yulat, Menteri Rangba Ulalit Ringkat Baru Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajila, Ubadiru Menteri Ketanat Home Police. Habakren Shikilat Patai Kubor Menteri Rangba Ulaong Ba Ulawan Knang Bani Kynduh Yulat, Namar Hakini Sngi Baja Kajingkulmar Rilum Garo, Ïakren na phone bat ulat kumta ulat sngodei Bani Kynduh markmat bat Ïakren bat Halor kani. Ulaong bakani Jingjia Kynduh ulayat hu Jingjia kiblami Rilum Garo bat Ïakren banya hakabedei bat kani bat hakabedei bat Jingjia kem mi kibepenmi jingkulmar hakatigathan Conrad ulaong ba umdan jingtep ai bakat nungut ladap syakem bat ong bakadei ke kamram jong ki pulit ban lei ai kat kum ki kendon jong kaan. Ulaong ba USP udan hakakerdan banyat hu yakata. Uliat hu ba Jingjia Garo Hills menta kala kham jai jai, hendai kidon ki Jingjia ba khamrit, hendai Jingjia kala kham duna, bat kidang penlong jingpet ngor baha ban pentikna, ban wanra ano jingshong suk, hendai ulaong menta kala kham jai jai, bat ki brio kila yo ban mi, ban le ki kam ki kiti ki jongki, bat laweng no ru ya jingkhang internet. Kumta ulaong ba kini kilong kidak ba beni ba jinglong jingman, kumba julong kala sedang ban phai biang hakathan, bat kidang yai pet banya abha Halor ke jinglong jiman hakathan haduk menta.
Regarding your meeting with Governor.
Yeah, I was for most of the last 2 weeks I was in Garo Hills, and as we are all aware that there were different situations and different law and order situations that happened and which required my full attention. So I was there in Garo Hills, and all this while I was only able to communicate with the Honorable Governor on the phone, and therefore I felt it appropriate that I must come and brief him along with Deputy CM in charge home about the current prevailing situation, especially in Garo Hills. Also the different incidents that led to the different law and order situations that we faced. So a complete briefing on the entire matter was given to the Honorable Governor, and that was my basic purpose of visit.
Sir, what did the governor say, and whether right now so many arrests are being made? If you can tell us how many arrests so far.
Number one, Governor has, after I briefed him, so he was of course much more aware about what happened, and so the briefing was basically, just as I said, a briefing on the law and order situation. Regarding the arrest, so we'll be very clear on this. It is purely police department's responsibility, and based on whatever evidence and whatever rules that are there, the police will take action. I'm not aware of how many arrests have been made. I'm not aware of who all been arrested. It's a pure police matter, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per evidence. So I think the SP there will be in a better position to reply to that, the different SPs. But those details are not with me.
Has the situation improved in Garo Hills, sir?
In terms of the violence and the different incidents have come down. There are some sporadic incidents that are there once in a while. Violence has come down, but we are keeping a close watch to ensure that there is normalcy should return. To a large extent, it has returned. To a large extent, people are now getting on with their day-to-day lives. To a large extent, as I said, even after assessing the situation, the internet ban also has been lifted. So these are signs of some sort of normalcy returning. But we are carefully monitoring the situation. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.